Today, I'm reviewing the UMEIJA OBD2 Scanner, a compact but powerful diagnostic tool that not only reads engine codes but also checks emissions readiness and even tests your car's battery voltage. Stick around till the end because I'll tell you who this scanner is really for and who should skip it. Product features. The UMEIJA OBD2 Scanner is designed for everyday car owners, DIY mechanics, and even small repair shops. First, it can read and clear engine fault codes, so when your check engine light pops on, you'll know exactly what's going on. No guessing, no panic. It also shows live data with graphic displays, freeze frame data, and detailed vehicle information. Things like engine RPM, coolant temperature, and sensor readings, all displayed clearly on the screen. One standout feature is the built-in battery tester. It checks your battery voltage, helping you spot weak batteries before they leave you stranded. This scanner supports all OBD2 protocols and works with 1996 and newer vehicles, including most US, European, and Asian cars, SUVs, and light trucks. The design is rugged and compact, with a heavy-duty cable, simple plug-and-play setup, and 6 easy-to-use buttons, so you don't need a long manual to get started. It also supports multiple languages, which is a nice bonus for international users. Pros and cons. Pros: fast and accurate diagnostics, live data and graphic display, battery voltage tester included, strong, durable build quality, beginner-friendly and affordable. Cons: does not support ABS or airbag codes, no transmission or gearbox diagnostics. Battery tester checks voltage only, not full battery life. Being honest about these limits helps set the right expectations. Overall, the UMEIJA OBD2 Scanner is a great value for car owners who want to save money, avoid unnecessary repairs, and understand their vehicle better. It's best for beginners, home DIY mechanics, and everyday drivers, not professional technicians who need advanced system diagnostics. For the price, it's practical, reliable, and absolutely worth having in your glove box. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more smart car repair tips, and check out the UMEIJA OBD2 Scanner link in the description below. Take control of your car and your money. I'll see you in the next one.